In this video, I'll show you beautiful Japanese bridal kimono. I hope this video helps you choose the perfect kimono for your special day. Now let's start! 花鳥清景図ろくしょう Birds and Flowers Scenic Tapestry Verdigris. This kimono has a soft, rich texture with a gentle, elegant look. The calm green base is woven with silver mixed threads. Deep green leaves add depth, white flowers stand out beautifully, and touches of bright blue add a soft sparkle. This creates a refined and graceful beauty. Thank you for watching. I'm Yuki Bronte from TANAN.